Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. Today's project, we're down here in our lower pasture area. We have some more storm damage to clean up and a drain that I'm wanting to get around to. So first things, I got to clean up this tree. We'll probably get a little bit of firewood out of it, chip up the brush, and then bring the tractor down here and try to dig a swell to help with the drainage around this lower pasture. So figured I'd bring you all along. Hope you enjoy. Today, figured we'd go ahead and fire up the 028 Super. Get a little runtime on that. I'm trying something new. This is my first time square filing a chain. I wanted to see how it does, so I figured this soft box elder would be a good starting point for us. Let's get to it. Well, I tell you what, that chain was cutting real good until I just tried to saw through a rock that was there. Whew. We'll see what she does on this. Like I said, it was throwing awesome chips. Granted, again, box elder, really soft wood. We'll set you up here and see how it cuts still on this stuff. I don't know if it will worth a darn or not. Still be a sharp tooth on there. All right, it's just at 9 o'clock. We got this all bucked up. So we're gonna move on into the next phase of the project. Got the LS XR3135 with the Wood of the Mills WC68 chipper. This thing is awesome, guys. So I'm sure many of you have seen it before, but the quality of this paired with the hydraulic end feed, this chipper is amazing. You're about to see it in action. Stick around. Whew, up 215 hours. Love it. All right, so we wrapped up this portion of the project. Got all the larger stuff chipped up. Now we're gonna come in right here. It's real soft. Pipe is there. We're gonna cut in this swell to join the ditch I had to hand dig the other day. Because the water was just leaching out, it's so soft here in the yard, couldn't get the tractor through, so let's take care of that. All right, to wrap the video up, I wanted to show you all the progress we made. So we got a fair amount of firewood, cleaned up all the brush, used the chips to go over a little culvert pipe here. We got it flowing and a nice swell for it there, so that'll allow this all to dry up in here. Be good to go. Next step is to clean up this firewood and brush hog. All right, well, thank you all for tuning in. We'll wrap this video up, go in, shower, get cooled off a little bit. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not. We'll catch y'all on our next video. Y'all take care.